Why does your scanner show the P0580 engine code? What does it mean? P0580 is a diagnostic trouble code for cruise control, multifunction input A circuit low. The P0580 engine code indicates the PCM or BCM has detected an abnormally low voltage signal in the cruise control switch circuit, affecting functions such as set, resume, or cancel. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Contaminated or damaged switch, short circuit to ground, faulty clock spring, corroded or loose connectors, blown fuse or relay. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, Chrysler, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.